I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your Netflix profile lock PIN code using the Netflix mobile app. Step 1. Open the Netflix mobile app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap your profile icon in the menu on this screen. You'll land on the My Netflix screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon. A menu pops up. Step 3. Tap Manage Profiles. Step 4. Tap to choose the profile you want to change the access PIN code for. The Edit Profile screen for that profile is displayed. Step 5. Tap Profile Lock and then tap Edit PIN on the next screen. A window pops up asking you to enter the current PIN for that Netflix profile. Step 6. Enter the current PIN for that Netflix profile. The next window will prompt you to enter a new 4-digit access PIN. Step 7. Enter what you want to be the new 4-digit lock PIN for that Netflix profile. That window will disappear and you'll see a note that the Netflix profile lock PIN for that specific account has been updated. That new PIN will be required to access that Netflix account going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.